This is Janet Bartleson. I'm here with Dan Choquette at the Cloud and Big Data Expo. And Dan, you presented on Beyond Moneyball. Can you tell me more about that?
Certainly. So at Dell, we strive to help our customers be more efficient with their data, whether to use it to reduce cost or to service their customers better. And as I put together the presentation and to drive a discussion that I thought was interesting, I thought back to a book that I had read a few years back, which was called Moneyball. And Moneyball was based on the challenge that the professional baseball team, the Oakland A's, had as it related to their need to reduce cost while also trying to be competitive, in Major League Baseball. And one of the things that they did was they looked at the players and they looked at their statistics and they looked at how much money they made. And they put together formulas that allowed them to determine what player can impact my ball club from a wins standpoint by also having one of the lowest salaries that they may require. So the Oakland A's, they took all this data and they farmed it, and they made that determination of these players can help us win. And in the year that followed the Oakland A's need to reduce their costs, they went from 104 wins to 98 wins, and they still made the playoffs. And I thought that was fascinating because I think it correlates directly with a lot of what Dell's customers are facing as it pertains to their business. They have all this data. They need to figure out a way to be innovative and at the same time be competitive in their respective vertical markets. And so what these customers have done is they've looked at a technology called Hadoop, which is an open source / free software project that allows customers to take data, create it in a way that gives them value, and thus basically providing that data to their consumers. And it could be CIOs, CEOs, that would ultimately allow them to, if used properly, reduce cost, be more efficient, and allow them to have a flexible business model moving forward. And it was a lot of fun. I was able to incorporate sports and what I do in my business life, and I think the audience received it well, and there were great questions at the end. I had a few baseball questions afterwards, and I thoroughly enjoyed it.